Hi my dear friends, welcome to Sri Pragna tutorials. In this video we are going to learn simple equations, how to solve the problems of simple equations. So now I will take some problems. I am going to explain how to solve the problems of simple equations. The first problem, 2 plus y is equal to 7. So before going to solve the problem, 2 plus y equal to 7. See here, this is the equality symbol. This 2 plus y is nothing but left hand side of the equality. 7 is nothing but on the right hand side of the equality. So we should remember, we should bring all the variables to left side. We should take all the variables to left side and all the numbers to right side. So what are called variables? Small English alphabets A to Z are called variables. All variables should be on the left, all numbers should be on the right. So we use balancing method or elimination method to bring all variables to left and all the numbers to right. So how to use the balancing method and how to bring the variables to left and numbers to right, we will see in these problems. So first thing is, this part is called left hand side of the equality. This is called the right hand side of the equality. 2 plus y equal to 7. This is called the left hand side. This is called the right hand side. So on the left, LHS, left hand side, variables should be there. Variables means all small English alphabets. RHS side, numbers should be there, numbers. So our aim is to bring numbers to right side and bring variables to left side. So that will give you our answer. So to bring variables to left, take the numbers to right, we use a method called balancing method or elimination method. See here, 2 plus y is equal to 7. 2 is a number. What is the place of the number? Right hand side. Number should be on the right, but it is there in the left hand side. We should eliminate this 2. So how we will eliminate? How we are going to eliminate means we add minus 2 on both sides. So if we add minus 2 on both sides, what happens you see? I am adding minus 2 here and also right hand side. Left hand side I am adding and also I am adding on the right hand side. Balancing. So plus 2 minus 2 is going to cancel. Y is equal to 7 minus 2 is nothing but 5. The answer will be 5. We can use the balancing method to solve these problems. But only thing we have to remember, variables should be on the left, numbers should be on the right. So now, this is the answer for this. Second question. Observe clearly. I am going to explain each and every problem very clearly so that you can understand more better. 2a minus 3 equal to 5. This is a question. So this is a number. This is also a number. This is also a number. So this is a variable. So numbers position, where is the place of numbers? Right side. But two numbers are on the left side. Our aim is to take these numbers to right or eliminate the numbers from left side. So only variable should be on the left. Bring variable on the left side. So first we are going to eliminate minus 3. So add plus 3 on both sides. If we add plus 3 on both sides means left side as well as the right side. What happens if you add plus 3? Minus 3 is going to cancel. We left with 2a equal to 8. Now we should, this is also number now. We should eliminate this one also from left. Divide with 2 on both sides. Left side we should divide and also right side. Two a by 2, that is equal to 8 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 2 1 time, 2 4 times. Therefore, a is equal to 4. Now we see only variables on the left, only numbers on the right. So the answer is a is equal to 4. If you want to check the answer, our answer is right or wrong. You see here, substitute in the place of a 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 3 become 5. So our answer is correct. So variable position is left side, numbers position is right side. So we should bring all variables to left, take the numbers to right. So by using elimination method. So one more question. So now this is a number, this is a variable, this is a number. So one number is extra in the left side. We should eliminate this. Add. What we have to add? Tell me. Minus 10 on both sides. If you add minus 10 on both sides, what happens? We will see. Plus 10 minus 10 is going to cancel. Minus q equal to 6 minus 10. Here minus 4. Whenever a number is having plus sign, a number is having negative sign, we should do subtraction. Plus minus, subtraction we have to do. Plus plus addition, minus minus addition. When the two numbers are having different sign means take the difference of it. Both having same sign means do the addition. So now negatives cancel, minus minus cancel on both sides. The final answer q is equal to 4. Q is equal to 4. So if you want, you can check it here. 10 minus 4 equal to 6. Next, one more question. Two t minus 5 equal to 3. 2t minus 5 equal to 3. So, first step, add plus 5 on both sides. Two t minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 is going to cancel. 2t equal to 8. Now divide with 2 on both sides. So 2, it is in multiplication. If you divide, it is going to cancel on both sides. That is 2 equal to 2t by t. That is 2t by 2 equal to 8 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fours are. T is equal to 4. So if you substitute here, 2 fours are 8. 8 minus 5 will be 3. Next question. $14, that is equal to 27 minus x. 27 minus x. You see here, it is a number. It is also a number. It is a variable. It is a variable. See here. First we will eliminate 14. Add minus 14 on both sides. So 14 minus 14, that is equal to 27 minus x minus 14. Plus 14 minus 14 is going to cancel. We will get 0 here. 27 minus 14 will be 13 minus x. So x is a variable. What is the position of variable? It should be on the left. To eliminate this x, add x on both sides. If you add x on both sides, 0 plus x equal to 13 minus x plus x. Plus x minus x cancel. Therefore, the answer is x is equal to 13. X is equal to 13. This is the way we have to solve this type of problems. Next problem. 5 into x plus 4 equal to 35. See here, 5 it is in multiplication. First we should eliminate this number. Divide with 5. Divide with 5. On both sides. If you divide with 5, what happens? Just check. Five is going to cancel. 5 one time, 5 7 times. So x plus 4 equal to 7 we are getting. Now eliminate 4 from left. And minus 4 on both sides. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel. X is equal to 7 minus 4 become 3. So this is the elimination method and very simple method to solve the problems of simple equations. Next question. So very simple. Divide with minus 3 on both sides. So if you divide with minus 3, minus 3 gets cancelled. X is equal to 3 one time, 3 5 times. So minus 5. X value minus 5. Next question. 5x minus 3 equal to 3x minus 5. First we eliminate left side numbers. After that we eliminate right side. So add plus 3 on both sides. So if you add plus 3 on both sides, plus 3 minus 3 is going to cancel. 5x is equal to 3x minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. So eliminate the variable with a number which is on the right side. Variable should be on the left. Add minus 3x on both sides. So after this, plus 3x minus 3x is going to cancel. 5x minus 3x is nothing but 2x. That is equal to minus 2. So divide with 2 on both sides. 2 gets cancelled. Here also 2 gets cancelled. We are getting minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. So if you want, you can check it here. Substitute if you minus 1 here, it will become minus 8. If you substitute here minus 1, it will become minus 8. Minus 8 equal to minus 8. This is the way we can solve the problems of simple equations. So here is the 9th question. You can try just like that 8th question. I will explain the question number 10. And question is there, that is you do as a homework. Try that 9th one. Just like that 8th question. So now I am going to explain question number 10. Very simple. First, we multiply 3 into x. 3x plus into minus become minus. 3 3s are 9. 5 into 2, 10. X is there, x we will get. 5 into 2x is nothing but 10x. 5 into 1 is nothing but 5. Okay, now this problem is converted just like 9th problem and 8th problem. What we solve now. So now, just simple add plus 9 on both sides first. If you add plus 9 on both sides, minus 9 is going to cancel. That's why we are adding plus 9. 3x is equal to 10x plus 9 plus 5 is 14. So now variable position should be on the left, but 10x is a variable. It is on the right side. We should eliminate this variable from right. So for that, add minus 10x on both sides. That is 3x minus 10x equal to 10x plus 14 minus 10x. Plus 10x minus 10x is going to cancel. So now what is the difference? Minus 7x. That is equal to 14. So only variable should be there on the left. 7 is a number. Divide with minus 7 on both sides. 14 by minus 7. That will give you 7 7 cancel. 7 1 time, 7 2 times. X is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. So this is the way we can solve the problems of simple equations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates and share this information with your friends.